Wow! Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome on GNANGSTUDIO 4D. Today I have bought the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus and I want to make the unboxing with you. Follow me. Follow me. Look at that. Whoa! What is this? This is the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Look at that. Beautiful. Wonderful. Look at that. I bought this and look at that. S9, S8. I will change this after. Look at that. Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Okay. Not bad. And what is this? Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, the box. Get ready, bro. Get ready to be unboxing. Get ready to be big unboxing on 2019. Get ready, bro. Look at that. This is a magnet blank. More information about this in front of you. Slow motion, pas slow motion, another. Okay, get started the unboxing. Let's go. Okay, welcome back on my studio. 4 months ago, I have made the unboxing of this, the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 with you. Look at the box, beautiful. And today, I have a new box, the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Look at that, bro. Look at that together in front of you. It's so nice and it's so great. Look at all of this. Look at the boxes. Look at that. Wow. So great. So nice. Look at that. I like it. Okay. Now I am ready to the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, bro. S9 Plus. Okay. Woo. Thank you. Okay, get ready to unboxing. The unboxing with you. Wonderful. Okay. Camera, stand up. Stand up. Okay. Now let's go. Okay. Get started. Look at that before. You can see Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. Please. S9 Plus. Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Woo! Click on like, subscribe. Look at that. That's a slow motion. 8 megapixel on the frontal camera. There are super speed dual pixel. Wow, look at all of this. There are a beautiful iris scanner. It's waterproof, water and dust resistant. There are also a beautiful stereo speaker done by RKG. Thank you. All of this is so nice and so great. And as you can see, it's so wonderful. And now I'm ready to purge. Ooh, so great. I'm ready to purge. And look at that. The box is here. Thank you. Wonderful. And you can see this box is so great. And it's so nice. Look at that. Samsung. Ooh, okay, like that. Ooh, I like it. Now, to open this box, you need absolutely to open this. Okay? Because it's locked. Okay? Alright. Now, let me to take something to broken this. To cut this sticker. Okay? Like that. Do this. Okay. I also got this done. Well done. Oh, so nice. All right, now we can go. Look at that. Are you ready to see this? Okay, I'm ready. Oh ho ho ho! What is this, bro? What is this, bro? Look at that! It's nothing. Why? It isn't too, bro. But you can see Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. S9 Plus. Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Wow, I like it. Okay, now put the phone on the table and take it. Huh? What? Okay, before look at this box. What into? Okay. I can open like that, and I can see a beautiful case. What the hell? Look at this case. This case is what? What is this? It's not good for me. It's not good for me. But you can take this because this is a gift from Samsung. Okay? Thank you. Okay. Ooh, what I can do? Okay, it's done like that. Okay, and it's beautiful. Now, look at this phone, bro. Look at this phone. Look at into this beautiful box. Look at that. Look at that, bro. Look at that. What? This one is into this box, bro. It's so nice. What is this? Look at the king. Wow. It's so nice. Look at that. Take this like that. Okay. Woo! 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 Wow! What is this? It's so beautiful. Oh my God! Our phone is protected by sachet. Oh, what the hell? Look at that. Our phone is protected by sachet. And wow! You are beautiful camera. For you, bro. For you. What? This is unboxing. Wow. Wonderful. It's so nice. Very beautiful speaker here. Stereo speakers. And beautiful speakers also here. Beautiful speakers. And the head-on is so great. It's so nice. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. And in this box, you can hands off and other things. Let me to open right now. On this box, you can see the charger. Wow. The fast charger. Look at that. Ooh, what are you doing? The fast charger. Your beautiful headphone and your USB-C cable. All of this for you. It's so great. Look at that. Wonderful. Okay. I like it. A beautiful fast charger. Adaptive fast charging. So great. What else? Your beautiful cable. And your beautiful wow AKG headphone with this. Okay, thank you for watching. Subscribe today and get ready for the test. Okay, after this video, subscribe, like, and get ready. Watch the next video now for the next.